Earnings coming up for SMCI next Tuesday after hours. What's going on? What's going on SMCI with AI? And the last few earnings were bad and not as expected because we have the hyperinflation, higher expectation for AI. Before AI, SMCI always beat the earnings. In today's video, we have to discuss what's gonna happen in this Q2 earnings for SMCI and what we should do. Or should we wait until the earnings or after the earnings or before the earnings to buy some shares of SMCI? Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let me just show you guys what's going on with SMCI. First of all, we got a few earnings since 2024, since the craze about AI, and since the reverse split that we did, or the split around 10-1 back in the 1st of October 2024. You see the pattern here. We got four bad earnings back to back from the beginning of last year, and now the end. So technically last year 2025 were the worst uh, earnings estimate for SMCI. And now we expect a different story because, as we said, the revenue increased, doubled, almost 10 billion. So we might have something different that might change this bullish momentum that started on March. So this is the first sign for weakness before even the first bad earnings in 2024 and August, where the shift in the market has came to SMCI and dropped 85% in less than few months. And see what's happened. We got a reversal from the 17 and we reversed from the 17 until the 62. And this was in just span a few months, guys. Let me just show you. Just 3 months, we jumped 300%. So we have still big buyers still buying and interested of buying SMCI. I'm talking about the technical side, guys. The fundamental is kind of shaky. It's kind of you can predict. It's like your ex-girlfriend. You can predict her mood, and even if you did something right, she always point out the negative and bad things that you did. So you can predict her emotion. So what you can do, you can see the pattern what she do, and you can anticipate what's going to happen. So SMCI is kind of the bad ex-girlfriend, or whatever you want to call it. Here we have to see the pattern what SMCI did and try to predict at least what's going to happen in the future, because the fundamental, as we see here, is not like exact and is not as expected. Even if sometimes we have good news, the price go down. So for now, just from the technical and even the fundamental actually help. I'm not saying the fundamental completely bad. No, I'm saying the fundamental add our confirmation for the technical. So for now, we confirm that we have a big buyer over the 1730. We have another buyer over the 26. And now are around the earnings that we might have next week on Tuesday. If we have a drop, guys, I will see the drop around this level, around the 25. So I will watch for the 25 really interestingly to see if we got a reversal. But the bottom is still around the 17, but we could have a bit of reversal before that around the 21. But I expect a hold up. If we have a good earnings, guys, as we said before, if we got a good earnings, we should hold over the 27 and preferably over the 30 in order to confirm that we're gonna have, or confirm that we got another buyer. Like what happened before. If you remember, we have a huge buyer back then here after the good earnings back in November 2024, and we did almost 300%. Now we want to confirm this again by holding the 30. The best case scenario, holding the 30, because if we pull back, because we already pulled back 2% here, if we pull back 3%, or even 12% around the 27, and we held over the 27, will be a good signal that the market maker loading up, and the confirmation for the loading up is breaking the 36, which is let's see here, 36%. Yeah, Almost we need 15% to confirm a reversal, and after that we have the 39 and 46. The best case scenario is going toward at least around the 46. Now is around the 31. Even the analyst rating right now is around the 42, guys, not the 46, but around this area. So if we have a good earnings and beat the estimate, we might go toward this territory over the 40 as the analyst predict here about the yearly price target. I'm not one day, but SMCI might go there in one day. So we have to prepare for this kind of action once it happened. And of course, if it happened, we're gonna discuss it first on our Discord, guys. If you don't know, we always do a major update on our Discord and Patreon before the live streaming that we do daily, 30 minutes before the market open. So make sure to join us on Discord in the link up section below. As you can see here, we always do a short update in the pre-market open and before that. And after that, of course, the last few stocks we did, it was for NAM, SXTB. It was a really good trade. We got really good trade for swing trade and day trade. In the meantime, see you back by tomorrow, guys. Preparation for the Tuesday after hours earnings, and before that, of course, 30 minutes before the market open and our live streaming. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you don't like, just let me know in the comment section below. Either way, do something. Even in trading, you have to do something. Change your strategy, change your broker, change whatever. Not stand still, because doing nothing is doing something. So you have to do something positive, even negative. At least for me, I will learn from my mistakes. If I did something wrong or something you don't like, just point it out, because I like it in order to improve and grow. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.